morning! So, today ay Friday na. Thank you, God. Ano yung sasabihin mo, Gianna? Nothing? Yes? Kumakain siya. Mamaya na lang natin tanungin. Pero ngayon ay kakatapos lang natin maghatid kay Orion sa school kasi may culminating activity sila, Nutrition Month. Tapos ngayon papunta tayo sa field trip ni Gianna. Actually, may service sila, kaya lang hindi na kami sumabay kasi nga para, 'di ba, sarili na namin pag may gusto kaming daanan. Gaya ngayon, nag-drive-thru kami sa Jollibee, tapos magpapagas kami. So, malapit lang naman sa may Santa Ana lang siya. And, ayan, papagas na tayo ngayon. So, ang pangalan ng pupuntahan natin ay Happy Nest Farm and B&B yung nakalagay. So, nasa Facebook. So, malapit lang siya. Nandito na tayo sa may SM, sa may Mexico. So, 17 minutes ang nakalagay. Good morning, Kuya. Pa-full tank diesel? Card payment, ha? So, we are currently here at Happy Nest Farm, B&B. So, yan. Hindi pa nagsistart kasi actually 8 o'clock dapat. Kaya lang hinihintay pa yung ibang mga kids and families. So, merong free breakfast here. So, let's eat some bread. Ma! So, let's get some pandesal. So, may coffee din sila, but we're not gonna get coffee. What's this? Peanut butter. Coco jam. And then butter. So, let's see coco jam. Coco jam. Meron coco jam. Wow! Coco jam. Ito. Ayan, ikaw maglagay. Ako coco jam. Ma! Oh. Hi! Kalaro. Wala pa si Jeremy, hindi mo pa siya kasama. Yan na! maganda dito, malawak yung kanilang farm. So, dito talaga yung mga bata for learning experience. Ayan. So, may poultry house. Tapos yun sila. So, inaayos yung mga gagamitin nila for today's activity. Oo, pag teacher niya. Pag nakita na niya yung teacher niya. Ay, Gianna, ayun si Jeremy! There's Jeremy! There! Hi! Oo, okay naman na. Careful! Ay! Wala pala siyang basket. Ay, saan ba yun? May basket. Oo. Come on, come on. What's that? Ayun pala, may basket doon. Careful!
Go give some food.
Wow!
You want to give some food to the dogs?
Come on, come on.
Quack, quack, dogs. Quack, quack.
Titignan niyo. Oh, yung basket mo!
Oh, you get some food. You throw it to the
Where's
dogs.
your basket? Hold your basket and I will give you quack
For the ducks, hindi sa'yo.
Oh, you
Come on, come on. Dito. Hawak mo.
Dogs only lay eggs when it's very dark. It's usually on midnight and before the sunlight. And they usually lay eggs at 2 to 3 in one day.
Wow!
So many eggs.
Here, ay, anong gusto mo? Naiinita na siya. Ay, talaga. Sabi niya, hot.
Mainit lang po talaga.
Ay, oo, sige.
And you wanna
Si Jeremy, ayun, oo. Sabi niya kanina, it's hot.
Teacher pa, may help you.
Di ba nangahabol niyang ganyan na? Sabi niyo sa amin ng bata kami, ganyan. Nangahabol, no? May ganun sa amin sa kapitbahay dati.
Habol na ako niyan. Kaya
Hi, Jeremy! Let's go. I'm gonna get eggs. I'm gonna get eggs. Hindi mo nakabukas ba?
Very hot. Let's go, let's go. Oh, chicken.
Tumutuloy yung pawis ko, ma. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's get eggs. Ay, wow, chicken.
sounds of Can you do the sound of I will give you
May horse. Merong horse doon. Alin? Sige, sige. Come on, let's go. Akin na, pumpunas kita. Ay, akin na. I will wipe. You hold this. Let's get some food.
Get some food for the chicken.
Oh, like this, oh.
Let's get some food there,
Are you scared?
Oo, nakikita niya yung chicken. You wanna hold the chicken?
Hold the chicken, not the food. Oh, hold the chicken.
Akin na, pahiram. Kuha tayong food. Ayun, yung food.
Good. How about you, Jeremy?
Hingi tayong food. Ayun, wow, chicken.
Wanna touch the chicken?
You only touch the toy chicken? Oh, what's the color of the chicken?
Akin na. Ay, wala kang food. Okay, hingi tayong food. Kuya, pahiram.
What color? It's a...
Konti lang. Thank you. Ayun. Doon, sa chicken. Let's go sa chicken. Look at mama. Look at mama.
Where's the daddy chicken? Good job.
You put...
Did you know
look,
also that
chicken.
chicken can lay eggs without a father or a rooster?
You put doon.
They lay eggs without feathers.
Yan na. Tinan mo.
They can also lay eggs 5 to 6 a day. Wow! So many eggs.
Ito, naghihingi sa'yo. Ayan, dali. Dito, sige, pupuntahan ka na dyan. It's hot? Talaga naman to. Paano kaya? Ito dapat may dala kang aircon. No, sorry. Natatakot siguro, baka puntahan siya. Ayun. Dito. Dito sa chicken. Natatakot yata. Here, you put some, food. Here. Here, look up. Here. Pinupuntahan ka nila, naghihingi sila. Ayun, chicken. Huy, pagkain ng manok yan. Ayun, yay! Bigay ka pa. Baka natatakot siya, kasi baka lapitan siya ng, stop recording.
Don't want to feed them. Why? Oh, come here. Ate Juby will help you.
You feed the pigs. Sabi niya, I'm not yet done with the chickens. Ayun, chicken. Where's the chicken?
Game mo na yun si chicken.
Ubusin mo na yan sa chicken. May goat pa, meron pang horse. Oh.
As you can see to your left side, you can see the goats and the sheep.
Si Jeremy! Ito yung goat. Oh no! The goat! It's a goat!
You can see.
You hold
It's a
it.
baby goat.
You see. Tingnan mo si Mama.
Akin na. Tingnan mo to, Ay, tingnan mo si goat,
Who goat? Yeah.
Can you help me to name this little goat?
And then put some water.
Wow.
There, get some soil and put some water.
Ay.
Get some soil.
Gianna.
Where's the water?
Ay, what?
Yeah, there. That one. The juice. Yo, the brown juice. Put some water in your mud. Do you want to put some? You put some soil and then put some water. Okay? You can use this too.
Wow, star.
Do you have a plate? Plate. You want to make us a plate.
What do you want to get? Wow, what's that? Here.
Now put some.
What? You're dirty na.
Yan pala yan, Sige.
Wow. Yeah. Wait lang, baby. Okay.
Meatballs, spaghetti with meatballs.
Hey, remove your shoes. Remove your shoes. Here. Remove your shoes.
Let's sit down.
Wait. Remove your shoes. Oh, come on. Let's go. Huh? What? Ayun na, let's go inside. Para malamig na. Come on. Up. Up. Come on. Yay! Come on, sit down. Ay, oo nga. Ay, sit down. You want juice? May juice doon. You want? Hindi, malamig yun. Kuha ko siya. Yan. So, nakabalik na kami dito sa loob because tapos na silang mag-outdoor activities. Ang challenge lang talaga pag mga bata, mainit. Si Gianna nag-iyak-iyak kanina, mainit. Right, Gianna girl? Yan. So, umiinom muna siya ng refreshments tapos doon magpipizza. Pizza making! You want pizza? Oh, come on. Let's go there. Careful, careful. Oh, wait. Wala pa. Wala pa, anak. Kinakain na yung cheese. Wow, what's that? What's that, Gianna? Wow. Can you mix it? Mix, mix, mix.
You want to try? Get the cheese on top. Put the cheese on top. Yeah.
Here, 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 here.
Naka-recharge ka na?
Na-aircon na po ta.
Wow.
Oh, yun o. Luluto yung pizza mo to.
Where's your pizza?
Where's your pizza?
Pakiuna po yung Gian. Gusto na pong kainin ng hilaw.
Someone wants to eat pizza na.
Wow. Look at your pizza. Your pizza is going inside, oh.
Where's Ethan's pizza?
Look at the pizza, oh. Wow. The pizza is there.
Oh, nainitan ka.
Your pizza. Bigyan na. Babaunin mo yun kina mami? Or dadalhin ko kay Orion? Pauwi na ang mga person. Mahirap din pala mag nature activity. Kasi sobrang init, no? Kahit ako, tumatagaktak yung pawis ko kanina nung nasa mga animals.
Yung mga bata talagang umiiyak.
Hindi, dun sa ano, 'di ba, yung activity na may sensory, yung kamay-kamay nila, yung naglulupa sila. Ano okay lang sa kanya eh. Oo. Yung dun sa ano, animals, talagang mainit.
Buti hindi siya
Na ano kasi yung ano no, yung araw, nakatutok na. So, ayan, naihatid na natin si Gianna at saka si Mama sa bahay. Kasi doon muna mag-overnight si Gianna at merong tournament bukas. So, merong palarong panglunsod. So, dito sa amin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. So, sasali si Kuya Orion at saka si Kuya Yale. And maaga kasi siya. So, 7:30. So, syempre, expected na medyo maaga rin kami kailangan umalis ng bahay. So, ayoko naman nang isama si Gianna kasi for sure may initan siya and maiinip siya. So, sabi ko kay Papa, after ng field trip ay ihatid ko na si Mama at saka nga si Gianna sa bahay para doon na muna si Gianna mag-overnight and then sunduin na lang namin siya tomorrow. So, ayun lang. Ito ang first ever field trip namin. And if you're gonna ask kung may binayaran ba kami, actually, yung field trip na, ito kasi sabi monthly, merong nature-based kasi kasama sa curriculum nila. So, wala kaming binayaran kasi kasama na rin ito sa tuition fee nila. So, kung ano yung monthly, once a month na nature-based activity nila outside of the classroom, so, hindi mo na siya kailangan bayaran kasi paid na siya So, kasama yung isang bata and isang parent or guardian. And then, ang babayaran mo na lang yung extra head. So, for this trip, sinama ko si mama and ang extra head ay 250 pesos lang naman. So, yun. Tapos, unlimited na yung bread and drinks nila. Coffee or juice. Ganon. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Ayan, pauwi na tayo. And para mag-lunch, si Papa naman ang bahala sa lunch ngayon. And ayun, see you tomorrow on our next video. For sure, gagawa tayo ng video. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Bye!